Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So welcome all in this new video. In this video we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook on Ubuntu. So for that we will open terminal and first, before installing anything, we just do update and upgrade. So for that I will write sudo apt update, then I will enter. I will give my password and it is updating. Now again I will do upgrade, so I will write sudo apt upgrade you can do both the command in one line, just adding sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Now I'm going to install Jupyter Notebook. So for that first I need to install Python on my laptop, on my PC. So for that I will write sudo apt install Python 3. So it will install Python on my laptop if Python is not installed before. So you can see Python 3 is already the newest version, and that means Python is installed already on my PC and my laptop. So if you have not installed Python, then you should run this code. Next we will install pip. So I will write sudo apt install Python 3 minus pip. So this will install pip, that is a package manager in Python. So you can see there is a prompt. I will write yes, then it will install pip on my laptop. So it is about 220 MB, that's why it is taking time. So if your internet connection is good and your hardware is good enough, so it will not take much time. My laptop is Intel i5 8th generation, so that's why it is taking a bit more time. So now pip has been installed. Now what I have to do, I have to install Jupyter using pip. So that's why we installed pip first. So now I have to install Jupyter, so I will type pip install Jupyter. So make sure you have written the correct spelling of Jupyter. So the spelling will be Jupyter. So I will hit enter. So it is showing requirement already satisfied because I have already installed Jupyter. So if you have not installed Jupyter before, then it will install Jupyter. You don't have to do anything else. So when pip install Jupyter's command runs successfully, then you have to write Jupyter notebook and then hit enter. So it will open Jupyter notebook on my default browser. So you can see Jupyter notebook is open here, Now I can do whatever I want. I can create a separate folder of Jupyter. So I will just create a new folder. First the name will be untitled folder. I will rename it. The name I would want to have Jupyter Works, so I will rewrite Jupyter Works. So this is my folder where all the Jupyter things will be stored. Now I will create a Jupyter file, Jupyter notebook file. So just go to new and then hit on Python 3 IPY kernel. So it will create a new Jupyter notebook file. You can give it name whatever you want, nb1, that is notebook 1. This is my Jupyter notebook's name, and I can write any Python command, any Python program which I want to. So I will write print please subscribe. So as soon as I click shift and enter together, it will run this particular line of code. So you can see the output is please subscribe. So this is how you create a notebook file. And for sanity check, we will go to our file system where the files are stored. So you can see there is a folder called Jupyter Works, then there is a Jupyter notebook file called nv1. So one more thing before closing this video, there might be possibilities that when you first install Jupyter notebook and you run this Jupyter notebook in the same terminal, so it will not open the Jupyter notebook in your browser. So for that you need to cut this terminal, and after closing the terminal you need to open terminal again and you write Jupyter notebook. Now this time it will open Jupyter notebook. If you have any problem, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.